The view here is literally so gorgeous. What is this? Is this a hermit crab? That's a muddy, I don't even know if it's, I think it's a lightning well because it has some spikes, but I'm gonna leave that there. What do we have here? A true tulip with a hermit crab. He's just walking around. Hey, buddy. Nice little blue crab shell. What's this right here? Oh, I thought this was gonna be empty. Another true tulip. I really thought this guy was empty. But he has a Hermie. There you go, buddy. What's going on here? Got a crown conch, some tulips connected. I don't know if that's lunch or baby making. More tulips in here. This one has a hermit. Look at this big banded sticking out. This needs a little cleanup, but I'm not going to take him because I'm only looking for true tulips in here that are not occupied. It's literally quicksand. But it's so gorgeous here. I don't know how far I can go. My feet are sticking. Ugh. This is just so pretty. Look at this beautiful crown. It's still the mollusk inside. There he is. You can see the beautiful colors hiding there in the mud. There's a tulip over here, a banded tulip. Also the original mollusk, doing so good. Look at this little crown conch eating a scallop shell. That's super cool. And I can't tell if this is an old Florida fighting conch. I think it's an old Florida fighting conch. Maybe a queen. Old, I think it's a knotless whelk. I don't think it's a lightning whelk. Still has some blue